Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix lagging problem on your iPhone 15 series. So guys, if you are using any model of iPhone 15 series and facing the issue lagging problem or any other loading problem, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to click on general, and guys after doing this you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys here you need to check that if the storage of your iPhone is full, then guys you need to delete some data from your iPhone storage. And guys after doing this you need to find the apps that you are not using in your phone, and guys that app is installed in your iPhone 15 series. So guys simply you need to delete that app from your phone or offload your app from your phone. So guys, for example, YT Kids I have not used in my phone. So guys, if you in this type of app that you are not using, so guys you need to delete or offload app. And guys after doing these settings you need to go back, and guys here is the option of background app refresh, and guys you need to turn off this tab. And guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. And guys the last and most important method, you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys if you have any kind of update in this section, you need to update your phone to latest version. So guys now you can see I have an update, that is iOS 17.1 beta 3. So guys simply you need to click on update now, and guys after doing update all the problem will be fixed on your phone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.